Hi everyone, welcome to today's Brown White Pages video. Today I'm going to take you through Google Analytics. Basically, through Google Analytics data, how to go about creating, how to go about checking the Google Analytics report, and A to Z about Google Analytics. The first thing I want you to understand is that Google Analytics is basically all about measuring, uh, all about measuring and getting reports of website traffic, any website. And you can also use Google Analytics for tools. It is free. This is the address. This is the address for it. You can create an account for yourself. Um, if you want a Google Analytics account, you need to have a Gmail in order for you to create a free Google Analytics account. Um, so Google Analytics is basically used to used for understanding your audience, what they are doing on your website, how they came to your website, what they did on your website, and how they left your website. So it helps you to analyze your website traffic. Um, it gives you actionable insight into how visitors find and use your website, like I said earlier. So it helps you to understand the number of the section by users and also the new users and old users. It helps you understand how your users interact with your website, page per section, average time spent on the website, bounce rate. This is the bounce rate. Um, Things like how many people click on a link, watch a video, you can get that. You can. This is the time per section. It also helps you to know the page through they came to your website and the page through they left. It helps you to know the most interesting page. It helps you to know the location of your website visitor, the language, or the browser that you are using, the resolution of the device. It helps you to know how long people stay on your website, average views. It tells you, with Google Analytics, you can also know the date per users, the date per users, per visitors on your website. It also helps you to know the search engines through they came to your website, the social media through they came to your website. So Google Analytics can help you to what improve on your website and to provide and it can help you to provide your your, your users with great user experience. So some of the main features of Google Analytics are number one, the built-in report. This is where you find it. Once you click here, you get all the report. This is the dashboard, real-time audience action, acquisition behavior conversion. Why this is the real-time report? Somebody visit the website. Let me visit the website through another. Um, let me visit the website through another PC and my phone. So you understand this. You understand this for the real time. Can you see? So these are two people on the website. I came with a phone and now, so we'll be able to check that. But for now, let's deal with the real time. We'll do that after um, after you must have learned a lot about this Google Analytics. So this is what we have at the bottom. This is traffic source. This is just basically the overview. user retention. This is basically overview. This is mobile versus desktop, users per time, and this is a country. So we'll be able to do all these and we'll be able to check them during the process of introduction and the explanatory part of it. The first thing I want you to know is the date range. You can check date range of data. So let's go to the built-in data. You click on what audience overview. In order for you to get date range of data as the Google Analytics. The Google Analytics is basically an online to all online tools and tools that you can use on your website. Basically, they are either a website or you accept via a website. So basically, with the date range, you'll be able to get you'll be able to come up with you'll be able to check the data for those some months or a particular month. This is it. Once you click here, this is where you find the date. Once you click, you'll be able to check the data for a particular month. You want to check that of January, you click here. This is January. You click first to 30th. Then you click apply. So this shows data for January. These are the data for January. So if you want to check custom data, this is for custom data. So you can always edit here, then apply. I want to check for yesterday, today, last month, this 30, last 30 days, this is it. Apply. So quickly, the date range selected is at the top right, which I showed you. It will show you data for past 30 days and whatever date range you want. So next, let's go to the let's go back to the home page of Google Analytics. Let me show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Basically collection of different widgets that give you an overview of important metrics you care about the most. It lets you monitor many metrics. So these are different kind of data. This is the dashboard. This is a page. People that have visited this website for the last 7 days. 5 went to this page. Only one went to home. One came via home page. So the next we have audience overview. So for the audience overview, this is just basically what you find at the left part of it. The audience overview. Click and click on the overview. It's basically all about your audience. This is all the information of your audience. So you can always change the date range. You go per month, per days, hour. Let me go with that of this current date. From let us go for something that is at least a year or two. I want enough data. So April 1st, 2021 to May 2023. So you can always go like months. Click on per month. This is per month. So Let us go with per month. Per month. Yes, was May. So let's go to location. You can click here to get location. Click here to get location of this is countries, this is city. So you can actually do this here in your audience, or you can decide to click the audience and go down. But I think this is easy. Just click here to get the country location. So these are the locations of people, the countries that are come to the website. Next, you get that of the new and returning users. This is it for new and returning users. These are the these are the new users. These are the returning users. This is supposed to be increasing. 13% are still coming back to the website. So the next we have that of the browser. So this is for browser. This is for browser. So Chrome, Safari, Opera. And for those people that would like to do Opera advert, so you can always, if it since you know that 640 people are coming by Opera, you can always go for Opera advert. If you like, you can opt in for that plus your Google advertising network. So this is for operating system. For those that place this Android, iOS, Windows. For those that place advert on phones, this is mobile operating system. This is mobile operating system. That's operating system for browser. This is the mobile operating system Android. If you don't go through here, you can always go through a demograph. This is the age, gender, geography, location. You can always get that here. So it's still the same thing. Instead of clicking here, you can always click here. You can always go through that part of here. And you want to check the mobile overview, you can always come here. So mobile, desktop, tablet. So let's go to acquisition. So acquisition is basically in order to let you know how people came to the channel through they came to your website, the traffic that brought them to your website, the kind of traffic that. So this is acquisition. You click on it. You click on acquisition overview. So these are the traffic that brought them to your website. Organic traffic. These are traffic from search engines. Social traffic are traffic from social media. Direct traffic are traffic for those people that type your website address on their browser here in the address box. This is referral traffic from other website like blogs. So let us click on this referral to know the website that are bringing traffic to your website. So you can basically click on them because they are all clickable. These are the websites that bring traffic to my website. So if I go back, I can click on let me click on overview, go back. So you can always let's click on social media. Blogger, Facebook, YouTube. So that is a good thing about analytics. So let's go to source. Traffic source. Traffic source basically will tell you the domain and traffic source will tell you the domain and the domain and the search engine that is bringing the traffic to your website. So let's click on traffic source. As you can see, Google search. This is a website. These are domains. These are, these are the domains. So for referral traffic, once you click on acquisition, you click on traffic. We've checked the referral traffic before. This is for referral traffic. So this is the referral traffic that I clicked earlier. This is basically all in acquisition. This is behavior. Behavior basically for you to know the pages people click when they came to your website. So let's go to behavior overview. So basically these are the pages you click when you came to the website. So you can see page views, the type site 10, pages. So after that I will teach you the behavior flow. Behavior flow is basically how they came to your website and how they left. This is the behavior flow under the behavior. How they came and how they left. So you know if many people are coming to the home page and leaving only to the home page. What that will help you do is to help you to structure your website in a way that you'll be able to retain your users and once they come to your website, they'll be able to visit other pages. So let us click on it to view. So this is it. These are people that came to the home page. They left to the home page. So they came to the home page, they left to the home page. So you should be able to structure it, your website in a way that they will not leave to the home page. These people they came to another page, they visited other pages. They visited one, two, three, four, they visited so many pages and they left. So this page is very important to your website. But this home page you need to structure it in a way that they will not leave to the home page. Many people come to the home page and leaving through the home page. All these ones are coming through other pages and this is another page they came through and they visited other pages. So this will help you to structure your website in a way that they will visit other pages when they come to your home page. Next is landing page. Let's take the landing page and basically the page that brought them to your website. So if you want to check the landing page, you need to click on acquisition. If you click on acquisition, you click on acquisition. Let's go to acquisition over there. Our traffic. If you want to check the landing page, you click on behaviors. Once you click on behaviors, you click on let's check site content, landing pages. These are landing pages. So these are the landing pages through they came through the website. So many of them came to this landing page. So exit page, this is exit page. Let's check exit page. How they left the website. This is how they left the website. So this is where people are leaving. So you can structure a website in a way that they will not leave the website. They will remain on the website. That they will view other pages. So for all these exit pages, you can structure it in a way that they will click on other links on these pages in order for them to be on the website. So the real time, let's check the real time. That is the next. Let's go to the home. You can click here for real time and go to the home. Depends on which you want. So for the real time, let me show you something for real time. For real time. So this is real time. This is real time. So let me go to the website on my desktop and also on my phone. So this is so you can try to click here for real time or you click here for real time. Let us click here because here is the number. So let's click here. Real time report. This is the real time report. We have two people on the web, one on the website now. This is a desktop, 100%. So I need to do that for my phone. Another, this is two. So one desktop, one mobile. This is the wonderful thing about guys. This person is on a page, this page. The other person is on this page. Let's check their traffic source and location. So the location is Lagos, Nigeria. One. The other one has not been recorded, or you can simply come here and click on location. Both of them are Nigeria. Traffic source. Let's know if it's search engine, direct traffic, referral traffic, social media traffic. The traffic is direct traffic. That means they typed the website address in the address box to come to the website. This is the time spent. These are the content they are on. This is the wonderful thing about Google Analytics. So to round it up, let me just summarize some things you can track with Google Analytics. Google Analytics metrics you can track basically users audience overview, which is which is the audience overview. This is it. Then with the audience overview, you'll be able to check new and returning users. Let's click on it. New and returning users. So for today, no returning users. You can change the date to check past 3 months or 2 months. So we had some returning users here. So you can check new and returning users. You can also check bounce rates. Bounce rate is one of those things that determine your website rank. The more section on your website, the lower the bounce rate, the higher the rating. So if they spend more time on your website, more section to affect your bounce rate, so your bounce rate will go down. But if they don't spend more section or time on your website, your bounce rate will continue to increase, your ranking will continue to fall. So next is landing page and exit page. So you'll be able to know on the landing page and the exit page um, via your site content. This is for the landing page and this is for the what? The exit page. So how they came to your website, how they left your website. The other is The other things you can do with your website is traffic source and medium. This is for traffic source and medium. Then average section duration, then page views. So basically, all these are here. So page section, average section duration, and page views. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Stay tuned to more videos on digital marketing, phones, and PC tricks, tips, and hacks. Thank you.